In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy cryptocurrency on the PDAX platform seamlessly. If you're new to cryptocurrency or simply looking into expanding your investment portfolio, you might be wondering how to make your first purchase. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To kick things off, let's start by logging into the PDAX platform. A crucial first step whenever you're dealing with online transactions is ensuring you are on a secure website. So go ahead and open your web browser and type in https://web.pdax.ph. Once the page loads, enter your login credentials. Make sure these are kept secure and never share your password with anyone. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the platform's user-friendly dashboard. Now that we're in, look for the option labeled Crypto. This is usually prominently displayed on the dashboard, designed for easy accessibility. Clicking on this tab will take you to a section where you can view various cryptocurrencies available for trade. For today's demonstration, let's focus on two of the most popular ones: Bitcoin, commonly known as BTC, and Ethereum, or ETH. Choose the one you're interested in really depends on your personal preference and investment strategy. Once you've decided, click on either Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next up, you're going to make your purchase. To do this, you'll see a buy button right there on the screen after you've selected your cryptocurrency. Clicking it will bring up an input box where you'll enter the amount of Philippine pesos or PHP that you're willing to spend. This could be any amount you are comfortable investing, say, for example, 500 pesos. Before finalizing your purchase, it's vital to take a moment to review all the transaction details displayed. Most importantly, pay attention to the fees. Cryptocurrency transactions, like stock trades, usually involve a small fee. This information will typically be itemized for clarity, ensuring you know exactly what you're getting into. Once you've reviewed everything and feel confident about the transaction, you're ready to seal the deal. Simply click Confirm, and just like that, you've made your crypto purchase. Congratulations, you're now a part of the exciting world of cryptocurrency investment. Acquiring cryptocurrency doesn't have to be intimidating. By following these straightforward instructions, you can make your first purchase with ease and confidence. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and guides on navigating the world of cryptocurrency and trading. Happy investing!